Papa God.
The plate is?
Papa God.
The water is?
Me.
Lux. See? Papa God protects Lux. The plate protects the wall.
There.
Oh, so when you obey mommy and you obey Papa God protects.
You.
And then mommy said, Lux, no eating of sweets, ha? Lux, sleep. And then you disobey, man.
Disobey?
Yeah, there are evil man telling you, Lux, do not sleep. Lux, eat candies. Lux. Lux.
What?
Lux, eat.
What?
Lux, eat. See, Lux, eat candy. Oh, the evil coming, oh. Lux, eat candy. And then you
Can I help you put?
you put. And then you keep on listening to the evil. You obey the evil, not mommy. I will not sleep. La. See?
I'll put myself at you.
And then what else? I will watch TV. I will watch TV.
Yeah, I know.
See? What happened? See? And then, what happened? Sit down. What happened to you? Lux become? Lux is ouchie.
Do we put a lot?
You open the protection of Papa.
God.
See? And then what? And then you get ouchie. Then what do you say? You're sorry, and then you ask for forgiveness. And then, will you do that again? Will you?
No.
You will obey mommy? Oh, so you say, Papa God, I will obey you. This is Papa God. When you say, I will obey you, Papa God. What happened when you obey? Ah, see? Papa God protects you again. See? See what happened to your neck? It becomes small.
There.
See? So what happened when you obey? Papa God
Yes.
If you disobey, what will happen? If you disobey, what will happen?
I don't know.
What happened to the evil when you disobey?
Go away.
When you disobey, when you do not obey Papa God, the evil can come to
To?
you.
So much fun.
It's so much fun. See, it's so much fun to to obey. Oh, sige. No.
Magnet?
Magnet. It's so much fun to obey because Papa God protects you. Again. Ah, see? Ah, the evil is afraid of Papa?
God.
So what happened? You will obey or not obey Papa God and Mommy?
Obey.
Obey para no more
Cheer.
para Papa God protects. Promise?